Hi, today we have a MacBook Pro A1278 board. It's an old MacBook, but we are gonna try to fix it. So the problem is that the MacBook doesn't turn on. There is light on the charger, but no fan spin, as you can see. So we are gonna start our diagnostic by measuring the power rails of the board to see where is our missing rail that is preventing the device from turning on. You can find the power rail page in the schematics and copy each rail to the board view software where you can know where to measure. Here we have our main rail PPBus G3 hot, which should be 12.6 volts. The PPDC in G3 hot should be present because we have already PPBus G3 hot. And it looks like we found our missing rail. Now let's see where it gets created and check the chip that is creating the rail. It seems like this chip is responsible of generating the rail. The chip needs an input power and data lines so it can tell the chip to turn on and what to do. So it needs PP 5V S5, which we measured, but we are gonna check if the chip itself is getting the power. As you saw, the chip is getting the power. And now to see the enable rails. And the enable rail is not as it should be, and it's not stable. It should be around 3.3 to 3.4 volts. Now we search where that enable rail is created. So the U7940 is responsible of creating that rail. And now to check the chip and its data and power lines. There is input on the chip, and the rail SMC-BAT-low-L is 3.27 volts, but the output is 1.3 volts, and it's not stable, so we get to the conclusion that the chip itself is not working properly and it needs to be replaced, which what I am gonna do next to see if that fixes the problem. And now to check our work. And as you can see, we have a fan spin. Let's see if the board turns on fully in its body. And we have an Apple logo on our screen, so our job is done. So that will be it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more interesting repair videos. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I will try to answer them. See you next time.